already discussed. Last class already discussed. Please, ma, switch off your videos. Right. Fine, ma. Last class, what we discussed, just for a minute, I'm just going for it. Just for a minute, we just want to go for it. Look at. So we are having flow control. We are having flow control in that control statements, introduction to control structures, purpose of control structures. We already discussed it. Performing certain operation either one time, depends on the condition evaluation, true or false, or perform certain operation repeatedly for a finite number of times until the condition is false. So we are having three types of control structures. Number one is called what? Conditional statements. Number two is called looping statements. Number two is called miscellaneous control structures. Later, I just discussed in the class. Later I discussed in the class the conditional statements I started. Conditional statements. There I said in detail about that. Conditional statements are used for performing certain operation for one time, depends on condition evaluation. In other words, condition is true, then perform X operation once, or if the condition is false, perform Y operation once. How many types of conditional statements we have, ma? All of you? How many types of conditional statements we have? Three types of conditional statements are there. Three types. Can you spell out what are those? Can you spell out what are those? Write in one place. If, comma, if dot 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 else, and next is what? If, elf, and else. They are the things. So we started in our previous class with the topic of what? Simple if statement we started. Simple if statement. The syntax is like this. If test condition is true, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. So this symbol is known as what? All of you tell me what is this symbol is called? Come on, ma. What is that symbol is called? Indentation symbol. Colon, that is okay, but it is known as indentation symbol. Okay. How many spaces you need to maintain for indentation? Indentation, how many? 4. Okay, 4. If you don't maintain the 4 indentation spaces, if you maintain unindented spaces, what is the name of the error? What is the name of the error? Indentation error. When do you get indentation error? When we don't maintain the indentation properly. Unindentation, if you maintain, we are getting indentation error. Right? And I told you yesterday one small diagram also I opened it. Use tabs and backspaces. We use tabs and backspaces. Very nice, students. Very good. So very good response you gave, ma. See the flow chart of it. Okay, 1 minute. I just opened wrongly. I just open it with a paint. See that? See, ma, all of you. Please open it. I will open it. See that syntax. See that, ma? Parallel to if statement, indentation 4 spaces, indentation symbol, indentation block of statements. And I opened yesterday the program also, dear students. Now let me open it, ma. Program also I will open it. So there is a program here. So go to that test.py. It is our last class. Right? This is what our program is. Now I would like to go for continuation part of it. I will go for program now. Write down all of you. Write a Python program. Come on, ma. Open it. Please alert all of you. Still people are going on joining. We don't want to bother about it. Sharp 4:10 we will start the class. First 5 minutes I will recapitulate the class. Because we have to utilize the time very efficiently. Once the time goes, it will not come out, ma. Please understand my points. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept three integer values, which will accept three integer values, which will accept three integer values, and find the biggest among them, and find the biggest among them, and find the biggest among them, and find the biggest among them. Right. That is my program. And before that, I would like to, before that, to explain that one, again I will discuss one more explanation more. If else, if else also I will discuss. Then if else also let me discuss. Then I will go for complete thing. Now I'm going for if else also I'm going to explain. So please let me follow this. Please let me continue, ma. Right. See on the board. If else statement also I will explain. Then we will go for combined thing. You don't write it, ma. After that program you can write it, because in that program I will use if else also. Don't write it. Listen first. If dot 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 else statement. Else statement. Carefully follow. Now I am writing. See the syntax. All of you. Syntax. If writing here test condition colon indentation symbol. So I will maintain some 4 spaces here more. So I'm writing block of statements 1. Directly I'm writing yesterday only statement 1, statement 2, statement n, block of statements. Listen, ma. Karan, login again. So coming to the point of it, block of statements. Block of statements. Block of statements 1. That means it indicates block of statement 1, block of statement 2. So many things will be there. Block of statement 1, block of statement 2, block of statements 1. That is called block of statements 1. Here, dear students, I am writing here else. The else I am writing. Parallel to if only I need to write else. Parallel to if only under if only we need to write exactly. If you write anywhere else up to your own thing, you will get error. With your own hands, you are buying the things. So I will take care. 4 spaces you will maintain, and then you will maintain the block of statements 2. Block of statements 2. Block of statements 2. 2 this is called block of statements 2. Second. Then, dear students, I am writing parallel to else. Parallel to else I am saying, parallel to else. I am writing there other statements in the program. I am writing other statements in program. Other statements in program. I am just writing like this. Other statements in the program. Let me explain the flowchart for this. Self-explanatory diagram I want to give it. Because once we know this if else, you can do some ample of programs which we will cover it. Let me go for paintbrush. I will take it. Paint. I will take it. Right. Please observe all of you. Now here, as usual, we will take it like last class diagram. If I am taking if, carefully try to follow. Now there I will write conditional part. Right. There I am writing test condition I am saying. Test condition I am saying. Test condition. If test condition true, what we will do it. Test condition question mark I said. If that question is true, if the test condition is true, what we will do? If the test condition is false, what we will do? If the test condition is true, what we will do? If the test condition is false, what we will do? Right? Now we are having one is true, one is false. Here I am writing true. True. Here I am writing false. Students, once it is true, we are going to write it. What we will do here? Execute Block of statements 1. Block of statements 1. See, execute block of statements 2. Execute block of statements 2. Block of statements 2. Block of statements 2. In execution of both of them, do you know what is happening? It is executing other block of statements. It is executing other statements in the program. It is executing what statements, ma? Other statements in the program. Right. See, because once you write this diagram clearly, you can have this permanently, you can understand this. So I'm saying that follow, don't write, look at, first understand this requirement. Understand this requirement carefully. So I'm writing here. Here also I'm saying that. Right. Now I will write execute other block of statements. Execute other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. This is what I am trying to tell you here. Right? Now, trying to understand other statements in the program. Is the diagram is clear, ma? Can you confirm once, all of you? Can you confirm, ma? Yes. Followed. Nice. So self-explanatory diagram. Now you come to this explanation. I can give it. Explanation. So I'm giving, see, all the ways I'm going to explain. Explanation I'm giving. 1 minute. Here I'm writing. If the test condition is true, then execute block of statements 1, and also execute other statements in program. Right? One more thing I am writing, ma. If it is false, if the test condition is false, I'm writing here. If the test condition is false, writing here, then execute block of statements 2, and also execute other statements in the program. So both of them are having indentation symbols. At any point of time, other statements are going to be executed. At any point of time, block of statement 1 or block of statements 2 is executing. But compulsory, what is executing? Other statements are getting executed. So I gave the concept part also, diagrammatically also, everything is clear. So dear students, the syntax is there, and then diagram I gave it. Then I would like to ask you to write this. Then we will go for the programming part. Write down, ma. Write down. Yes, ma. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, students. Okay, already question is there. Yes, ma. Already question is there. I thought of I will be explaining the program, but I said write down. I said, please, 1 minute. Can you listen me, all of you? Do you started already? Do you started? Okay, start. No problem. I will revise the question once again. Okay, no problem. Write down Akila, I will revise the question once again. After this also I will start. No problem. Write down. After this question or after writing this concept also, I will rewrite the question once again. Okay, ma? Don't worry. Okay. No, ma, Akila, no need to leave the page, ma. Don't write. Don't leave the page. Continue. No problem. Continue there. Why we will say that question once again? We will write it. What is there? Don't leave, ma. Continue. Dilip Kumar Gupta. Why we are getting sound, ma? No sound, na? Dilip Kumar. So I checked. Everybody is in mute only. There is no sound from any place except from my place, which I am speaking. Yes. Yes, ma, completed. Okay. Now I am opening the flow chart, ma. Now I am opening the flow chart, ma. Please look at that flow chart. I will open it. Take it, ma. Flow chart. This is entry. Entry. Write the flow chart carefully. Um, Gopi Sai, if entry condition is true, execute block of statements one. Gopi Sai, please understand, ma. Test condition is false. Then it is executing block of statements two. Where is the false again true becoming? Gopi Sai, clearly see, ma. Sir, you are asked a question, sir, in flowchart. What if the else condition is true? You are asking. That means else condition. Where is the false? Sir? Else is coming when it is false only. Gopi Sai, are you getting, ma? Okay. So done. So completed. Completed. You have to say completed. Completes or no? Completes or means I have to complete. You are responding completed. Completes or means you are asking me to complete. Completed. You have to write. All of you. Because if I say to because I have to write correct in English also. In Python. By teaching Python, I will correct in English also. Right. Very good. Very good strength is there in today. Even though it is a Saturday, very powerful time, 4 o'clock. Most of the people will go out of their rooms and houses and they will enjoy somewhere. But all of you are very sincere students, came to my class. Keep it up all the days. Very good strength. Very nice students. Lucky to have you in my class. Avinash Mishra, we don't know, ma. We don't know. Avinash Mishra, we don't know when the offline will start. Shall we go to the program? Shall we go to the program, all of you? Okay. Okay, nice, ma. Right. Write down. Write a program that only we go for it. So that only we will go for it. Write a program that only I am rewriting it, ma. Write a Python program which will accept three integer values. Which will accept three integer values. Which will accept three integer values and find the biggest among them. And find the biggest among them. And find the biggest among them. Nice, ma. Let us go to the program. Let us go to the program. Okay? Come on to the point. Now here, I will go. See, file, new edit plus, others and a new Python. Python. Now I am taking, first time, we are coming to big.py. 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 How many numbers we need to get from keyboard, ma? Come on, all of you please respond. Right. So how many values we need to get it? Three values we will get it from the keyboard. So see, ma, input of, I'll say enter first number. Enter first number. Guys, please be careful. I will take next enter B value. That is enter second number. I am going for enter second number. Enter second number. That is called B. Next C is equal to enter third number. Enter third number. So I'm saying that third number. Right. Now, after that, find the logic for big. Dear students, logic for big. Don't think much tension. Logics will come automatically when you analyze me. How sorry is analyzing? Like that, you start thinking. Logic for finding big. What I am doing is, let us take one small paint screen, ma. Let us take one paint screen for your better knowledge of better knowledge of logic. Here I am taking A. This is called A. One variable I am taking. One more variable I will take, ma. One more location I will take. That is called B. One more I will take it. That is called C. That is called C. This is called B. I will take this is called C. Okay. Here I will take, assume that 10 I got it. 10 I got it. Here I got it 20. Here I got it 30. Here I got it 30. Carefully observe, ma. Now, there are so many logics may be there, but I'm taking one perfect logic for you. I planned one logic for you. So I'm taking one variable, big I am taking, big. I'm assuming one big variable, which in that I will take B, A is the biggest value. I'm assuming big is equal to A. Big is equal to A. A value I am taking in big. What is the value of big now? What is the value of big now? 10. All of you should understand this tracing part. A value I am assuming in big. Now, compare the big value with whom? B value. Compare the big value with whom? C value. Whichever is big in big and B, that value will be replacing here. If it is not big, I will not replace. Compare B and C, whichever is big, I will replace in big. Again, compare big and B. Whichever is big in this B and big, I will replace. Whichever is big and C, I will replace. Okay, now? So, come out of that. Now I am writing. If I am writing condition, please see how I am writing. Right. If see how easy. B greater than big. B is greater than big. B is greater than big. What is the value of B? All of you. What is the value? All of you. I will write a comment for any student. B value is 20. 20 greater than, what is the B value? Big value, please. Big value, please. 10. 10. Then 20 greater than big. True or false? 20 greater than true. True or false? Manasa, what is that, ma? True. It is called a true. True. When it is true, what is the big then? Indentation. What is the big then? What should I write? Replace the big value with B. Replace the big value with B. How do you write it? How do you write it, ma? How to write it, ma? Very good. Big is equal to B. Big is equal to B. With this statement, what is happening? This value is replaced with this value replaced with 20. 20. 20. Next, parallel to that, once it is done, next statement will execute. Next statement will execute. Next statement will execute. What is the next statement, ma? If, again I am writing, if, tell me, what is that now? C greater than, excellent. C greater, you understand that part. That's it. Once you follow SAR, SAR will give success route for you. Now see, their comment, you take it. Now indentation symbol. See the comment here. What is the value of C? 30. In this case, 30. What is the big value, please? Big value, please? 20. What is the result, ma? What is the result, ma? True. Result is called true. Once it is true, then tell me, what is the big value, please? How do you write it? Big is equal to C. Don't tell the value. What is the statement to write? Right. Next, where it is executing? Next, parallel to the if statement. Parallel to the if statement. Other statement to in the if. Other statement in the if. Other statement in the if. I will write there. I will write there. What I am writing? Here I am writing. What is the big then? Now this is replaced with what value? Replaced with what value? 30. Now what should I print now? What should I print? Here I am writing print of biggest is equal to comma, or I can write a format of what is that value? Big I will write it. Big I will write it. Did you understand, ma? Is it understandable for everybody? Wonderful logic. Wonderful logic. Start. Beginning. From the beginning. From the beginning I am taking. Start. All of you should answer my question very carefully. Those who are participating my interaction, you will improve your communication. Plus you will eliminate your fear also. That is the main intention of taking this much of response in the class. This much of response in the class. Start. What are the values of ABC? Don't type one by one. What are the values of ABC? In the same way. 10, 20, 30. Yes, ma. I am explaining once again. Rakesh Arora. Once again, I am explaining, ma. Rakesh Arora. Please listen carefully. Okay. So, yes, ma. I did not use else block. I used only if. I will use else. I will use else also. Please listen. Come on. Now, what is the value of ABC? 10, 20, 30. Come to the statement. Big is equal to A. What is the value of big? What is the value of big? 10. Very nice. Big value is called 10 number. 10. Okay. Coming to the next statement. If B greater than big. What is the value of B? 20. 20 greater than how much? 10. 20 greater than 10. True. True means execute the statement. Statement which is immediately available. What is that? Big is equal to B. Big is equal to B. Yes, big is equal to B. We taken it. So it is executing big is equal to B. This is done. What is the value of big now? It is replaced with. This is replaced with. It is replaced with. What is the value? 20. 20. Next, other statement in the program. Dear student, other statement in the program. Come on, if. What is the value of C? 30. 30. 30 greater than big value how much? 20. 30 greater than 20. Now replace. Execute what statement? If statement. If statement. Big is equal to C. That means this value will be replaced with what value? Replaced with what value? C. Replaced with what value? 30. 30 will be the result. 30 will be the result printed. Biggest is equal to big. Result is printed 30. Are you okay? Okay. Next I will go for it. Next statement I will go for it. See, my value of B is 200. Come on, ma. Next, again, second time I am repeating. Second time I am repeating with the second value. Second time I am repeating with the second value. Please follow me carefully. What is the value of ABC once again? What is the value? Not okay, ma'am. No problem. I'll adjust it. In the program, I will write it. No problem. What is the value of ABC? 10, 200, 30. Start the flow. What is the big value, please? What is the big value, please? 10. 10. Second time I am explaining. 10. Okay. Big. What is the value of B? What is the value of B? 200. 200 greater than what? 200 greater than what? This is going to be done previously. 200. 200 greater than what? 10. True na falsa? Rashek, who is ma? True. 200 greater than 10. It's true. What is the big is equal to? Big is equal to? Yes. So, what is the value of big? 200. 200. Next, coming to other statement. What is the value of C? What is the value of C? 30. 30 greater than how much? 30 greater than. This is a previous statement. 30 greater than how much? Greater than how much, ma? 300. 30, okay, 200. Sorry. 200. True na falsa? True na falsa? Yes. Somebody. Okay. False. Previously, I observed one my student. Okay, nice. It is false. False means it won't execute. Big is equal to C will not execute. Directly it will come to other statement. Big is equal to B. What is an answer printed? What is an answer printed? 200 is printed. 200 is printed. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? Right. Last and final. Last and final. See ma carefully. This is minus 200. Minus 200. This is called minus 30. Minus values. Minus values. 10, minus 200, minus 30. Last and final. Okay, ma. Naveen, excellent. Naveen, excellent, ma. Keep it up. Come on, tracing it out. Because everybody, I want to make you to understand. Coding is a God-given gift, which I want to inject in your brain. Come on, Rashekar Day. Don't take immediately 10 is printed. We go for, check that. Come on. 10 minus 200, start. Big is equal to how much? A. What is the value of big? What is the value of big? 10. 10. Okay, come to the if statement. What is the B value? Minus 200 greater than 10. True na false? True na false? False. False. Good. If statement will not execute. Other statement in the program coming to parallel. If what is the value of C? Minus 30. Minus 30 greater than what? 10. False or true now? False. False means where it is coming. Biggest is equal to dot format of. What is that? Dot format of big. What is the result is? Are you understanding? Are you okay? Clear? Very good. Now, see guys, one more thing I am asking. Sir, I have like this, sir. I have like this, sir. Please see that all your doubts I will clarify myself only. You need not ask. You just go on listening it. Sir will make you to learn everything. So here I am writing 10. Here I am writing 10 only. Here I am writing 10 only. Here I am writing 10 only. But what are all these values are called, ma? All these values are called? All these values are called? Same. Same. That time, how do you write, sir? See how I am writing, ma? How I am writing that? How I am writing? See the code. See, if A double equal to B, A double equal to B, A double equal to B. Once again, I am writing B double equal to C. Once again, I am writing B double equal to C. Once again, I am writing A double equal to C. A double equal to C. A double equal to B. B double equal to C. C double equal to A. All of them I wrote. Tell me, anda ara. I need to write anda ara. I need to combine two or more relational expressions. Be careful. Be careful. Anda ara. A and B is equal. B and C is equal. A and C is also equal. I will write A and B. I will write ma and operator I am using. A and B. And I will write what? And this also I will write and. All of them must be equal. Condition. I will say indentation. I will write there only. Print. I will write a print. Because I don't have the space next line ma. That's why. Print. All values are equal. All values are equal. Are equal. All values are equal. All values are equal. Got it. Else, if it is else, if those are not equal, then which one will be coming? This box point will execute. Are you understanding? No, ma. Ashish Kumar, open your notebook, ma. Ashish Kumar, did I say ampersand symbol? Ashish Kumar, do you are absent or for operators or what? It is already over. Ashish Kumar, did I say and operator? Huh? Where I said that and operator? Ashish Kumar, did I send and operator? Logical operators are what? And or not. So in bitwise and is there. Here we are using combining two or more relational expressions. So Ashish Kumar must write 20 times imposition. Anybody says wrong, you must write imposition after going to home. Imposition means it is not a punishment to become perfect on that particular area. Ashish Kumar, will you write or not? Ashish Kumar. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He will write. So we have to impose the punishment by ourselves. When we do wrong, we have to do punishment by ourselves. We will write 20 times what is there. We will understand. And operator or operator explained like anything for you. Okay. Now tell me. All the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, all values are equal. Suppose I am having 100 here. Start now. Start now. A double equal to B. 10 double equal to 100. True na false? False. Keep remember false. What is that? False. Okay. Next B double equal to C. 100 double equal to C. What is that? False. False. Next A double equal to C. A double equal to C. True. What operator? And operator. A false. A false false A. What is the total thing? What is the total thing? False and true. What is the result? Result is called false. Absolutely false. Already explained in the class. Still, some of the students are saying wrong. Whoever is saying wrong, you know that. You write imposition by yourself. False means it will come to the else part. This will execute. Shall I show you the program now? Coming to the program. Now I am using if A double equal to B and B double equal to C, B double equal to C, B double equal to C, and A double equal to C. Right, mom? I will keep that entire thing in one place. I'll keep it in one place. Even you need not to keep also, no problem. Indentation, say what? Print. I'm writing in capital letters. All values are equal. All values are equal. Now I am writing else. Now I am writing else. I am writing else. Else. No. Bruce Lee. Right, Bruce Lee. Who is this name? Bruce Lee. It's like I like this name, Bruce Lee. What is the name of this Bruce Lee? Is it really your name? Bruce Lee? No, what is your name, Amma? Okay, Surya. Okay, Ma, Surya. Why this Bruce Lee? What is any sentiment, Amma? Bruce Lee name? Surya. Okay. Any sentiment, Amma? Okay, no. Okay. Surya, it's really good. So coming to the point, no, we cannot write like that, Ma. We cannot write like that. We have to write separate. Okay, Surya? Surya, understood, Ma? Okay, nice. Else, I will write big is equal to B, big is equal to A, big is equal to A. If, now I am writing B greater than big, B greater than big. Okay, now I will write big is equal to what? B, B. I will write next, C, indentation. See how I am maintaining it. Strictly indentation. C greater than big, C greater than big. Big is equal to C. Big is equal to C. Now I am writing indentation. You see how I am maintaining it. Print of, big of. I will write big of. See, I will write comma. I will write comma. I will write comma. Close is equal to dot format of. Excellent format I am printing. Format of A comma B comma C comma big. I missed one more thing. Is equal to one more curly brace I will use. A B C. A will be first empty brace, B will be second empty brace, C will be third empty, big will be coming to the last part. Right? Save this program, then go to the place. I will say here big dot py. Big dot py. Coming to the command prompt, I will take it. Command prompt. Now G colon CD caviar Python 4 p.m. Now C CD flow control. There I will say big dot py. Enter the first number 10. Enter the second number 20. Let me show all these things. 30. Big of 10, 20, 30 is equal to 30. Next I will enter 10, 200 and then 30. I will say 30. I got biggest is equal to 200. Next I will enter 10 minus 200 and then minus 30. Biggest is equal to 10. Next I will say 0 minus 1 and then minus 2. Biggest is equal to 0. Next 10 and 10. What is that? All values are equal. Dear students, are you following, ma? Okay. Are you confident? Nice. Very good. Right, ma. Now take this code. Okay, Satyam Sharma. Okay, I will do it, ma. Don't worry. Don't worry. Take relax. No problem. I will upload immediately after the class. I will upload Satyam Sharma. Don't worry. Take care. Take care. No problem. I will do it, ma. Satyam, relax. Don't take risk of it. Relax. You take care. Yes, ma. Raja Singh. Execute other statements means not print statement, ma. Any other statements which are following here. Like 15th line onwards, you will write some other statements. You will write some 15th lines onwards, some other statement. To print the result. Chandra Bhushan, Java does not have indentation. I told yesterday only. Java is having what? Opening bracket, closing bracket. Here I am using print statement is another statement. C, C++, Java is having Opening brace, closing brace is there. Here we don't have that type of opening bracket and closing bracket. Suresh Vellala. Sir, please explain edit plus using command prompt. What is that? My edit plus using command prompt? You are asking so many days onwards that same question. So we need, after writing the program, we will go to command prompt. In search button, we will go. In the start button is there now. There we have a start button. Okay. There we will be doing that. So output of the program I am showing you. I hope that everybody is completed. What Durga Prasad? You are my favorite student, na? Java student as well as Java student as well as Python student, right or not? Okay, completed. Durga Prasad, you are my Java student also, 11 o'clock, right? Only Python student. Okay. Java student is different. There we have Durga Prasad, CH Durga Prasad, M Durga Prasad. Two people are there. Okay. Tell me, ma, what is your problem? So you are saying, sir, hello, sir, please recognize me. All students are there in my heart, ma. All students are there in my heart. So don't think like that. Because of the messages, all are going up. Which statement, ma, Durga Prasad? That only, ma, I am saying. A double equal to B is what? Double equal to is known as which operator? Dear students, all of you tell me what is a double equal to? Equality operator. In arithmetic, in relational operators, I explained already. A double equal to B. A and B value is equal. And B and C is also equal. That means A, B, C values are equal. That time I am printing all values are equal. You need not write this A is equal to B, A is equal to C, not necessary to write it. It compares two values. Already we did now, ma. Durga Prasad, already we did now. Open your notes. Durga Prasad, are you understanding now? Now I will run it without using that. So see that here I am writing. So here I am writing big dot pi 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. The values are coming, all values are equal. Right, done. Fine. So it is written. Okay now. We cannot write, I told you, Muhammad Sadiq, I told you, you cannot write A double equal to B, B double equal to C. There only we cannot write like this. Don't try to experiment like this. Then output of the screen, you already seen that what are the values are entered. And somebody also asked like this, enter the values are 10, 10 and then 20, sir. Biggest is called what? 20. Biggest is called 20. Is it okay? Is all of them are okay? Fine, leave it. Next, go for further. Next, one more example I want to go for it. What the next one I want to go for is, before going to further, what is Rajesh Singh? If sir, if you use two times, we can't use inside else else. What is this? What is this else else? So I used if else. Inside of that, I am using this statement. Right. Next, one more kind of thing. Coming to this conditional statements, let me introduce the third one also, so that you will come to one clarity. You will come to one clarity how to use this part. Write down subheading. After that, we will do multiple examples on it. Coming to the point of next heading, you write third one heading statement. Now carefully observe it. Carefully observe it. Yes, ma. I'm coming to that. Raj Singh will understand when I come to this. So Raja Singh is what he is expecting, and I understood. That's why I did not answer this. If I explain now, if I explain this now, you will understand. Kalyan, you will understand this. P. Jagdish, you read R operator, ma? You read R operator and AND operator. Truth tables we already explained for you. AND means what? Both the values must be true, then result is true. So if you ask like that, sir, and R, I have to explain again and R operator now, which is already explained. Why I explained first? By reading that we are perfect and we are coming here. That's why I explained. Otherwise, there is no meaning of explaining there and again asking here. Okay, please take care, ma. Please read my notes. Right. Coming to the syntax. Before the syntax, I would like to ask you. So why this if else is required? Just to take one small rough sheet here. I have 5 decisions with me. 5 conditions are there. 5 conditions are there with me. With me, 5 conditions are there. Then how do you write? If you know only if else. Come on, condition. See that. No chatting messages. See on the board. Confined to the subject. 5 conditions are there with me. How do you write the condition? I know only if else statement. See how I am writing. If. This is a very regular doubt for every student, including Raj Singh also. See, test condition 1. How many conditions are there with me? 5 conditions are there. Right. Provide the solution for condition 1. That is called execute X operation. I am saying execute X operation, for example, because we write the statements. Okay. Now after that, what will be there? Else. Else means what? If test condition 1 is true, executing X operation. Suppose one condition is over. How many conditions are there when you come to else part? Tell me, all of you. How many conditions are there when you come to else part? All of you, including Raj Singh also. Including Raj Singh also. One condition is already over. Raj Singh, I am explaining specially for you this part. How many conditions are there? Ma, 4 are there, ma. If you say 1 means I should stop my class. One condition is already over. Everybody is saying 4 and you are saying 1. Test condition is true. One condition is over. How many conditions are there when I come to else part? 4 are there. Everybody is saying 4 and you are saying 1. What can I do that? 4 are over. Now 4 is there. Now again I will write what? Deal with the second condition. What should I write again? If. When I am explaining this much of detail, if you don't get it, then it is impossible to get the program. Test condition 2. Test condition 2. Then execute what? I am writing here. Execute Y operation. Execute Y operation. Execute Y operation. Execute Y operation. With this if statement, else I am coming to. See, in else, if, under that I am writing else. Under that I am writing else. When you come to this else, line number 11, how many conditions you have? Tell me, Raj Singh. Raj Singh is today's my favorite student. Raj Singh. Waiting for Raj Singh answer. Keep your hands on your keyboard. Ready? Okay, 3 conditions are there. Why? First condition is done the operation. Second condition is done the operation. 3 conditions are there. Coming to else. What I will do? Again I will write if test condition 3. Test condition 3. What I will do? Execute. What operation? Z operation. Z operation. Okay. Now I will write what, ma? Else I will write it. Else. When you come to line number 14, how many conditions are there with you? Raj Singh. Raja Singh. Already first condition over, second condition over, third condition over, fourth condition. 2 conditions. Again I will write, ma, if test condition 4, I will execute, I will say here, execute K operation. execute K operation. Over. Now, here, what is that? I will have only else. I will have only else. I am writing else. I am writing else. Now, will I write next time else? Will I write next time else? No. What I will write? What I will write, ma? Execute. Execute some L operation. L operation. L operation. Right. Now see how I wrote it. How I wrote it. It's like a style. Like a style it is. Like a style. If else, like a scale. If you measure the scale, everybody will understand. Raja Singh, you tell me. Is it understandable or not? How many conditions are there, ma? Yes. Is it your doubt previously or not? Omkar Bosle. Video coming sometimes. Please, ma. Omkar, please switch off your video, ma. Right. Srila, you log in again, ma. Log in again. Re-log in. Okay. Right. Come on. Now, are you understanding everybody these conditions, please? Right. So it is clear. Now, what people are feeling is, sir, people are feeling difficult, sir. If else. This is known as what? If else ladder. If else ladder. One person is asking, dear student, S1, if condition 2 is false, where it is coming, Amma? Babu, S1, if condition is true, where it is coming? If condition is false, where it is coming? Yashwant is asking if condition is true, where it is asking, which line it will come? Please tell me, all of you. Tell him the answer. Which line? Which line? Which line? All of you. If test condition 2 is false, where it is coming? Which line? 10th line, it will come. 11th line will execute. Everybody is saying. Simple. Right. Done. So this is called, people may feel something like a little complex. This is called if else if ladder. This is known as, this type of style is known as what? This type of style is known as what? If else, if else, if else, so on. Else ladder. 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 Ladder it is called. Ladder. Like first step, execution of L, step like that I will go up. This is L. If to make it more clear, to make it more easy, we are having this type of concept. We have this type of concept. Which concept we have? We have this type of concept. What is that concept name, ma? We have the concept name called, which concept it is that? Else if we have one more concept, got it. What is that new concept? Third one we got it. That is known as what? If else came, else statement came into the picture. This is what I want to discuss. This is called the third one. If. Now, if we have more than 5 conditions in the industry is recommended to go for this. Now I am writing the syntax. You only will understand. Syntax I am writing. Come on now. Carefully try to understand. It is also very, very easy actually. If you don't concentrate, it is a difficult again. I have 8 conditions, 9 conditions, 20 conditions are there. How do you write it? See, carefully follow me. If test condition 1, what is that? Execute. See, block of statements 1. If test condition 1 is true, execute block of statements 1. Listen. If test condition 1 is false, it will come to this place. Here I will write L. Earlier we wrote else. Next line I used to write if. If why to write two lines? They reduced this length of the code. What they did is L if they combined here. They combined L if of test condition 2. Test condition 2. I am explaining so detailedly here. Again, what will happen? Execute block of statements. Block of statements 2. If test condition 1 is false, if test condition 1 is false, coming to test condition 2. If test condition 1 is true, execute block of statements 1. Definitely this will not execute. Why? Here it is true, other will not execute now. Else if you are saying now, conditional statements will execute only one part only. It will not execute the next one. Test condition 1 is true, execute block of statements 1. Suppose if test condition 1 is false, it will come to L if test condition 2 will be checked. If test condition 2 is true, execute the block of statements 2. Execute the block of statements 2. Again, I will carry this. What I am writing, see, I will write L if test condition 3, execute block of statements 3. I will elaborate once again. So on. I am writing. So on. Writing here. So on. I am writing here. Test condition N. Execute block of statements N. Execute block of statements N. Block of statements N. Then, if no test conditions are true, if no test conditions are matching, it will come to else block. If no conditions are matching, execute else block of statements. Execute else block of statements. Else block of statements. Execute else block of statements. Now, I will write here, this is after executing any one of the condition statements, it will execute other statements in the program if at all you have other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. That is nothing but what? Start. For beginning. Test condition 1, true. Execute block of statements 1. After that, straightforward coming to what? Execute other statements in the program. Test condition 1 is false. Go to test condition 2. If test condition 2 is true, execute the corresponding block of statements 2. Straightforward command execute other statements in the program. Others will not execute at all. If test condition 2 is false, execute test condition 3. If it is true, execute block of statement 3. This process will be repeated with all if statements, with all if conditions. If no test condition is matching, test condition 1 false, test condition 2 false, 3 false, 4 false, n also false, that time else block of statements will execute. After that, execute other statements in the program. It is not necessary to write else block of statement. You may write, you may not write it. Dear students, if you want the flowchart for that, I will write flowchart also. So that flowchart will give you other complete knowledge for you. Let me write the flowchart for you. Let me write the flowchart. Listen the flowchart once again. You will get more clarity in this part. Right. First I will take beginning small thing like this. Okay. Now I will take, because this is a very important part here. I will take here. I will take test condition. I will take little bigger one, test condition. No problem. Just try to understand. Test condition. Test condition. Here I am writing condition. Right. If test condition is true, just I will copy paste. Test one you understand, one box you understand, other things are dead easy. If test condition 1 is true, what will happen? True. then here I will write true. True. Execute block of statements. Execute block of statements. Here only I am writing execute block of statements. Block of statements 1. Execute block of statements 1. Right. True in the case of it. It is in the case of true, ma. It is in the case of true. 1 minute. I will write it. There is no hurry at all. Understand. Suppose if it is false. Definitely sometimes it may be false also. Definitely it may be false also. That time what I am writing? False. False. What is happening? It is false. I will see. What I will do is I'll just take ma for a minute. You just watch it. I will just copy which is useful for me to do the rest. I will take. If it is true, if it is false, test condition 1 is executed first beginning. If it is false, what is happening? Test condition 1, this is called 1. This is 1. Here test condition 2, this is 2. If it is 2, true, execute block of statements 2. Execute block of statements 2. See, if it is false, test condition is false. What is happening? Again, I will bring. Again, I will bring. See that, first understand, later chatting messages. I am not seeing the chatting window right now. Please observe. If it is false, test condition 3. Test condition 3. Now understand, block of statements. Block of statements 3. Third. So on, now I will write. So on, I will write here only like this. So on, dot, 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 dot. Here I am saying, here, dot, 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 dot. I will say, dot, 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 any number of things, any number of things. What will happen? What will happen there? After that, what will happen? Else block will be there. False. What will happen? I will take false. Coming to that, what is happening? Else block of statements. Here I will write execute other block of statements. Execute else block of statements. Execute else block of statements. Else block of statements. Else block of statements. Else block of statements. Then in this case you see after executing these kind of things, finally what is happening? After executing any one of it, it is going to execute other statements in the block of statements. Other statements are, other statement block is there. Now here what is happening? It is going to execute, all of them are going to execute. So after executing this entire thing, other statements will execute. It will straightforward go to other statements in the program. Straightforward going to the other statements. Other statements. Next, else block of statements, other statements. This is called other statements in the program. Execute other statements in the program. And you don't feel difficulty because of the word called other statements in the program, because it's a compulsory, because I should tell this, right? So because you are feeling difficulty, that's why I should not eliminate that part. I should. First day difficult, second day onwards started practicing, it is dead easy. So that is the case. After doing your operation, we will do some other operation also. After studying the Python notes, you will do some other operation also. That is nothing but doing the other operation in the class. Is it understandable, this diagram? Is the explanation is clear? Come on, ma. Is this diagram is clear for you, all of you people? This is a flow chart for. This is a flow chart for. I'm writing flow chart for if dot dot L if dot dot else. else statement. Statement. This is the related to the topic what we are discussing. Very, very important statement. Right? I'll upload. After this class is over, I will upload because we are understanding. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, this, Rekant. So, diagram itself will give you self-explanatory part, ma. Now, coming to the point of it, explanation. I will give you explanation. First, you write this diagram. First, you subheading you write if else statement, subheading you write Malafi. Take the syntax also. Yes, ma. Same. Durga Prasad, same. Sir, when true in test condition 1, it execute the statement. Statements means I mentioned here which statements, sir. So, half you write, half you will not write. So, first you write, ma, again I will explain. Execute statements 1 and execute other statements in the program. I will explain once again. First you take the syntax. Syntax you take, ma. Syntax you take. Again I will explain. Again I will repeat. No problem. I will repeat. I will write the explanation. After the syntax, you will write the flowchart also. During writing, don't think after 5 o'clock, after 6 o'clock, what should I do? You don't think that. First, you put your concentration on the screen, then you can understand. Okay, completed. Now I am shifting to the next window. Now I am shifting within 15 seconds. Come on, ma, complete it. Those who completed, don't watch the mobiles. After writing that, don't keep the mobile adjacent to that, don't watch the mobiles. First study what you have written. Understand or not? Is it understandable or not? Very good. Now I will open the flow chart. Now I am opening the flow chart. Write down after that flow chart for, write down ma. Okay, very good. Flow chart for, flow chart for if else statement. Flow chart for if statement. With your permission, I will write here in place of third, n na, 3 na, I will write nth condition, n. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, so on n number of conditions. Na? Here I will write n. Nth condition I will write it, n hyphen n. N means what? Execute the block of statements n, that's it. Nth block of statement. Block of statements n. Nothing is difficult. In this else part, I will write some dot. By seeing the diagram only, you can understand 90%. 90% is what? Everything is diagram only. Why we will watch movie? When we will watch a movie, we will understand 100% and we will remember even after 2 months also. And even if anybody says the dialogue on the road, you will remember, oh, that we have seen in that movie, because it is a diagram. Else, n test condition n, false. False means test condition n is false. Where it is coming? Else block it is coming. If you want, I will write else block. Here I will write else block. Perfect. Okay, ma, completed, right, mom, completed. Now I will show you the example. Immediately I will show you the example, then I will write the explanation. Same explanation only I can write. Let me show you the example, all of you. Now I am shifting to the example part within 15 seconds. Rajesh saying, okay, ma, what you are thinking is not correct, mom. In first problem, if we use if statement 2 times continuously, where I am using 2 times continuously, ma? Rajesh Singh, I am not using if statement continuously 2 times, sir. If you use continuously 2 times continuously, that is error. If statement to true, execute block of statement. Next, other statements in the program, I have if statement. Rajesh Singh, if you use two if statement continuously, it is an error. No, I am not getting your English words here. Instead the else, what is that instead the else? Okay, over. Now I will go to the example part. Right, example. What is that Rajesh Singh here? What is that if statement, ma? In place of else here, what I will use, ma? Rajesh Singh, I am waiting for your last and final time. Else here, what I should do? Here we have to use if it is equal, I am doing that. If not equal means else only. Not equal means else only. After else, what should I write? Tell me. After else, what should I write? After else, what should I write? Tell me. If statement 2 times. Here, what is that? If statement 2 times, I am not writing. Here, if it is big, this is executing. That is not 2 times, ma'am. That is not 2 times. Here, b greater than big, big is equal to b. If it is not satisfied, this if statement. It is not 2 times I am using. It is used according to the syntax only. Please read the syntax. Okay, next example, I want to go for it. Next example, that program is, I want to just write it. Watch it this now. What this part now? What this part now? So let us watch. Suppose I have some digits. See my example. Easy example first. Small example. Digits are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called the digits. I want to enter any one of the digit and I want to print its name also. Like what? Example is what? Like what? If you enter 0, I should print the name as what? 0. If I enter 1, I should print it as 1. How many conditions are there here? Tell me. Can anybody can tell? How many conditions are there here? How many conditions? 10 conditions are there. How do you deal with 10 conditions? By using what? By using what? Satyam Sharma, by using what? I can use if statements, I can use it. Look at that now. I am taking here example. Watch it, all of you. I am taking, this is an example I said. I am taking digits dot pi. Digits dot pi. Now I am taking digit is equal to or d. D is equal to int of input of enter any digit. Enter any digit. Enter any digit. Watch it carefully. Enter any digit. See, digit I got it. Now I am writing if, carefully follow, d double equal to 0. D double equal to 0. Print what? 0. Print 0. Next I will write what? L if D double equal to 1. D double equal to 1. Print what? Print what? O-N-E. O-N-E. Now you imagine. Now I will copy paste. Now I will copy paste. I will copy paste. See carefully. L if D is equal to 2. Perfect example for understanding if else if L if statement successfully. It is 3. I am writing 3. Now I am writing 4. This is 4. Now I am writing 4. Next I am writing 5. 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. Next I will write 6. I am writing 6. Now I am writing here 6. Here I am writing 7. L if 7 I am writing. 7. 7. Now I am writing 8. 8 I am writing. 8. Next I am writing 9. 9 I am writing. Here I am writing 9. 9. Next I am writing digits are written. Now I will write here if I don't write. I am writing else. Else is not necessary to write strictly, but I am writing else. I am writing. Suppose if you enter other than that, other than these digits, if you enter, what is that? It is not a. It is not a digit. I am just writing it. It's not a digit. It is not a digit. That's it. I am writing other statement. If anybody is interested to know, I will write print. I am other part of the program. I am other part of the program. Other part of program. Other part of program. I am using even backslash also to give some gap. Backslash n I am giving. Save. Save. Digits dot py. Digits dot py. Out of that, come on to the point. Digits py. Digits dot py. Asking enter a digit. 6 I entered. 6. Let us go to the tracing. Value of D is called 6. All of you tell me clearly. All of you tell me clearly. What is the value of D? 6. 6 double equal to 0. Past. Tell me. 6 double equal to 0. False. 6 double equal to 0. 6. What a dangerous. 6 double equal to 0. False. 6 L if coming to next statement. 6 double equal to 1. False. Next condition. 6 double equal to 2. False. L if 6 double equal to 3. False. Next 6 double equal to 4. False. Next L if 6 double equal to 5. False. L if 6 double equal to 6. True. True means what? Execute the statement. What is printed? What is an output printed? 6 printed. After that, what is an output, ma? What is an output after that? 7. 7. After the result 6 is printed, what is printed? I am other part of the program. After 6, 7, 8, 29, 28, 7, 8, 9 will not come. After 6 is condition is satisfying, other part of the program will execute. See that result. See the result. 6. I am other part of the program. Come on, next enter. One more thing. Suppose I am entering 1, O-N-E 1. I am other part of the program. Why not 7, ma? See, ma, why not 7? What is that? 6 is equal to 6. True, printed 6. Now you take it. 6 is equal to 7. What is that answer, Akila? 6 is equal to 7. What is that answer, ma? Now all others wait. Please wait. Akila will answer it. Akila, 6 is equal to 7. I'm waiting for your answer. All of you wait. You are saying, Akila, tell me, what is 6 is equal to 7? Come on, ma. You answered, asked doubt. Now I want to see that 6 is equal to 7, 7. 6 is equal to 7. If, L if, what is an answer? No, ma. 6 is equal to 7. What is an answer? Is it true or false? Ayo. 6 D is what? 6. 6 is equal to 7. False. False means it will not print. 6 is equal to 8. False. It will not print. 6 is equal to 9. What is an answer? False. Else part will not execute. I am from other part of the program. Right. Now, come on. Enter. Tell me what you are entering. Tell me anybody else. Tell me what I should enter. 12. 12. 12. Somebody is saying 12. So what is that? It is not a digit. All of you take once. Take once. I will enter, ma. That also I will enter. 12 double equal to 0. False. 12 double equal to 1. False. 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 Else part is coming. All of them are false. What is that? It is not a digit. I am other part of the program. Now that person, one person is asking what is the specialty of it, I don't know. 6. 6. Printed 6 here. 6. I am other part of the program. Now Simachal is asking 0, 0. What is that 0, 0 specialty? I don't know. Simachal 0, 0. What is that 0, 0? 0. Simachal, I am entering 0, B, 0, B, 0, 0, 0, 1. What is an answer? Avinash Mishra. This is called what? My int function I am using. 0, B, 0, 0, 1. What is the result? 0, 0, 1 is called what? Dear student, it is called number 1. Binary number, it is called 1. Answer is coming what? See that invalid literal int function, you are using this bin. So it is going to be taken as what? STR. Invalid input this is. It is an error. It is an error. So it is only supported because of what? Binary value. Now somebody is asking 1.5 is asking 1.5. What is this value? 1.5 within the double quotes. 1.5 within the double quotes. Where I addressed done. Where I addressed it in our Python, we already addressed it. If you open your notes, dear students, see by int of within the double quotes, we are using input function. Done. Please understand. Input 1.5. See, x is equal to int of double quotes 1.5. Is it allowed or not allowed? 1.5. Is it allowed or not allowed? Done. Not allowed. It is an error. See, it is the same error. But it is going to give you where I taught this answer. This is coming. This is coming. 1. Print of x. Print of x. This is going to come as 1. Allowed or understand, ma? Understand or not? Understand? Right. This is the where I taught these words, where I taught this type of example. In conversion functions only I taught. Open your golden notes. Golden notes. Everything is golden there. We explained in the conversions this part. If you read my notes now, no doubt will come. If you don't read, if you don't touch the book only, we will get all problems. Okay. So time is up because I have 6 o'clock about to be 6. I have another Python class is there, ma. We will see tomorrow class. This type of explanation I will write. This explanation I will write tomorrow, ma. Explanation I will write tomorrow. Tomorrow class we'll see this explanation. Okay. Monday. I mean to say Monday class. Monday class we will see this. Yes, ma. I will upload the notes. I will upload the notes immediately after the class. Okay. Good day.